Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is April 53rd or something like that. You know, this is our third week of our shelter in place here in California. Getting a little stir crazy, but you know, we got to do what we have to do in order to curb this COVID-19 virus. I'm sure, like many of you, you're just looking for something to do these days other than just, plugging away, working from home. But I am fortunate enough where a couple days ago I got a pair of really, what I think are special sneakers in the mail. Got them through the SNKRS app. Actually surprised that I got them after considering how many L's I've taken on the SNKRS app for some of the sneakers that I've wanted. But today I get to unbox this pair for you. Super excited for them, and you get to come check them out with me. So what I ordered here is special Air Max 90 that came out on Air Max Day. It was probably the only Air Max that I wanted to order from the SNKRS app. So what I'm about to unbox for you guys is the Air Max 90 reverse Duck Camo. So let's open up this box and take a look. We're going to move that. There we go. Check out these bad boys. So, I don't know if many of you are familiar with the original Duck Camos that came out through Atmos. Atmos is a Japanese sneaker shop located all throughout Japan, but they've done some really cool collaborations with Nike in the past, including the original Duck Camo, which I think go for over $1,000 right now on sites like GOAT and StockX. But I regress, we're going to talk about these. These are really nice shoes. I was really surprised about them. I've never seen one in person before, and so getting these in the mail was actually really cool to get to see them up close and personal. One thing you do notice is the camo, thus the Duck Camo name. But what's really nice about the camo is you can see that it's printed on this olive colored suede that they got throughout the toe and all throughout the shoe here. But it's actually, I don't know if you can see it, I'm getting close. So you got the camo printed on the suede, which is really nice. It makes for really nice quality. Really kind of cool. And the red, the infrared, really pops off of this. What I also like here is in the top that this is a suede material as well. I mean, it's the only other suede material on this, but it's a really nice touch, has a really nice look to it. And then you'll also notice on the swoosh, it's got this snakeskin sort of motif on there. Really nice little details throughout. It only comes with one set of laces, white, but I think they look pretty cool. Yeah, I think it's a really nice shoe. I know right now on GOAT and StockX they're going for about, well, at least in size 10, about $190, which is pretty surprising. I figured that these are a lot more rare, but I think it's a great deal. I think if you're if you have any inclination of getting a pair, I think you should snatch them up, because I think once they really catch on, prices of these will probably skyrocket and get up to probably not the $1,000 that the original Duck Camos are at, but you know, I mean, I can see them going up to about the $500-$600 range. I was a little nervous that the red would be a little bit too much, but honestly, when you have them on foot and you have them in person, it really works. It's a great combination. Definitely not subtle by any measure, but it's a great combination nonetheless. And the quality of it is fantastic. And it fits differently, which is really odd. It's a little bit more comfortable than a standard Air Max 90, and I don't know why. Maybe it's just this pair, but yeah, that is the Air Max 90 reverse Duck Camo. Beautiful shoe, highly recommend. Snatch a pair if you can. Probably gonna be the first thing I wear out of the house in this post-apocalypse. Yeah, that's my quick video on the Air Max 90 reverse Duck Camo. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Got a few more kicks that I probably want to put on there. Yeah, again, hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, check in on them. You know, together, by staying apart, we will overcome this and be able to get outside, hopefully by the summertime, and for a lot of us, be able to wear some of our new kicks that we've been getting online. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and hope to post more videos soon. So guess what, guys? What I also forgot to mention, now that I brought up the second shoe, is it does come with extra laces. You get the option for infrared and black. Geez, sorry, I forgot about that. Pretty amateur at doing these YouTube videos, so don't mind me. But again, these are the reverse Duck Camos. Appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye.